Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I have two announcements to make. Firstly, I would love it if you guys would head over to the AFIA Podcast and check out my interview over there. I think that you'll especially find value in the conversation that we had, especially if you're going through a transition in your life where you are fixated on a goal of yours. We discuss a proverb from Zimbabwe that is, patience is the egg that hatches a large bird. We all know patience is a virtue, and we really break that down in that podcast. And I go into the loc journey and natural hair talk, entrepreneur talk. So definitely check out that podcast. I'll have it linked in the description below and in the comments, okay? That's announcement number one. Now, announcement number two, something that a lot of you have been asking me for the past few years. I have come to deliver. Love, Light, and Locs now is offering a Loc Detox clarifying shampoo. I'm so excited to present you guys with this product. Sorry y'all, I'm leaning on my little shelf so that I can stay in frame. I'm really happy to finally have this product for you guys. I kind of feel like my line is complete. I'm sure that I'll have other products, maybe even like limited releases, but as far as the staples, I'm happy that I have all my staple products now for you all to use and enjoy, and you all can get the benefits for your natural hair journey, your loc journey. I just love that so many of you value using natural ingredients in your hair care, because your hair care is not just hair care, it's also your body care, because ingredients that you use on your scalp do enter into your bloodstream and, affect your body in a lot of ways. So it is available now for pre-sale. If you order now, you are in luck, because our first batch of shampoos actually come with more than advertised. So the label says 8 ounces, but you're getting more than 8 ounces with our first drop. So definitely hurry up and shop. So I definitely want to urge you to act fast and get the Loc shampoo on pre-sale. So again, it's a Loc Detox clarifying shampoo. So what does that mean? This shampoo with all natural ingredients is great for cleaning product buildup. That is one of the Loc enemies. Product buildup is a pain, and it can be really difficult to get rid of, especially in a natural way using natural ingredients. So this is what this product is for. You can use it as your regular shampoo. So I personally shampoo my locks every 2 weeks just about, so I'll be using it almost every shampoo. But if you don't wash your hair that frequently, then I definitely urge you to use it every shampoo. You're not only clarifying product buildup, you're also clarifying dandruff, you're clarifying sweat and oil buildup, dead skin, and whatever other dirt that your hair will encounter. This will be great for you to get rid of it. So that's it. I'll have the link below for you to pre-order your shampoo. Shipping will occur in just under 2 weeks, so definitely shop now and you'll get your shampoo in no time. As usual, check out KeishaCharmaine.com also for the horsetail leaf growth oil, the emu oil growth drops, the rose water moisturizer, and more. Get your infinity head wraps on. Alright? See what else we got in store. Again, we have the links below to the podcast that I'm featured on, and the pre-order link also in the description and the comments below. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine, and make sure that you are subscribed to my email list. If you don't know how, I'm sure I have a link down in the description, but you can also go to KeishaCharmaine.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and plug in your info, because you don't want to miss out on sales. We have sales every so often. They're very often flash sales, so I don't give you a heads up, I don't give you a warning. So definitely be on my mailing list so that you're privy to the sales. You don't want to miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your continued support. Love, Light, and Locs.